Hi, I'm Dr. Rebecca Burton, and I'm one of the education professors for EDUC 1301 and 2301. And so I'm here today to go over your learning objective form and how you're going to create that and choose your learning objectives. So if you're a returning student from a previous semester, then this process is a little bit different from the past. And so please make sure you pay attention to some of the changes that we've made for the learning objective form. If you're new, you're just going to follow the process here. So your learning objective form is something that you're going to go over and discuss with your mentor teacher. And in the past, we let you choose your learning objectives, 3 learning objectives that were based on the student learning outcomes for the course, about what you wanted to learn specifically from your observations. So this semester, you're still going to be choosing 3 learning objectives that will be very specific to you. But the change is you're going to be choosing from a pre-approved list. So for 1301 and 2301, we have the 2 learning objective lists here. And so if we pull up, let's say 1301, for example, there are 15 learning objectives that you have to choose from that are based on those student learning outcomes. So you will choose 3 of these learning objectives along with your mentor teacher. So your mentor teacher does have to agree. And the reason we have your mentor teacher agree or choose these with you is based on the class. So your mentor teacher may not be able to have or may not have ESL or special education or GT students in their class. So this would not be one, number 9, that you would choose to observe in that particular classroom. So you are going to choose 3 learning objectives, and these learning objectives are going to be in addition to whatever you're looking for inside of the classroom. Based on hour per hour, whether your professor is using the focus hour guide or whether your professor is allowing you to choose your own student focus topics for the hour. So these are in addition to that. These learning objectives you are going to look for throughout your 16 hours of observation, take notes, and report back on that in some form or fashion, whether it's through the reflective summary or through your anecdotal records. So again, the major change this year is that you will be choosing from the objective list rather than making up your own learning objectives. And we hope that this helps you in the process rather than trying to create something and not, and unsure a little bit about what you're supposed to create. And again, that you would review these with your mentor teacher, put them still on the form that is located here. You'll write them in to number 1, number 2, number 3. You'll sign off, and your mentor teacher will also sign off, and you'll still upload this form into your Canvas course. So just a few other reminders about this particular form. Your faculty name can either be your professor's name or your lab instructor's name. Your course in your section is, of course, the one that you registered for. The description of the field-based experience is what kind of classroom you're going to be in. 5th grade, 8th grade, 9th grade, ELA, social studies. And if you have any other questions about this particular form, make sure you email your lab instructor and copy your professor.